Welcome to the American Education Report. We've always known that staying in school longer provides significant financial benefits, but we're now being told that it might also provide significant health benefits. A new study estimates that more than 145,000 deaths per year could be averted in the United States if everyone who didn't finish high school had actually earned high school degrees. That estimate is on a par with the number of deaths that could be avoided each year if all U.S. smokers were to quit smoking, the researchers said. The findings suggest that U.S. policies aimed at increasing people's education level could also improve U.S. residents' longevity. People with higher levels of education may live longer for many reasons, including that they tend to have healthier behaviors and better psychological well-being, this according to the researchers. For the study, the researchers followed more than 1 million people between 1986 and 2006, looking at their education levels and death rates. They also used information from people born in 1925, 1935, and 1945 to determine how education levels affect death rates over time. They estimated that in 2010, 145,000 deaths could have been averted if people who didn't finish high school had indeed earned either their GED or a high school degree. And an additional approximately 110,000 deaths could have been averted if people who started college but dropped out had instead gone on to earn their bachelor's degree. People with more education, they said, are less likely to smoke, more likely to engage in vigorous exercise, and more likely to have access to health insurance. In addition, studies suggest that the advances in the treatment and prevention of heart disease in recent decades were reaped mainly by people with more education. And in West Virginia, a proposal to allow year-round coaching of high school athletic teams was not accepted by the West Virginia Board of Education. Asked to approve the proposal from the West Virginia Secondary School Activities Commission, an organization that governs high school athletics, cheer squads, and marching bands, the school board opted instead to table the measure for further consideration. The proposal, passed narrowly by the Activities Commission recently, would have allowed coaches to conduct practices 50 weeks out of the year, something coaches have said will alleviate the pressure of cramming summer practices into the allowable time frame. The measure had passed the body only by a 54-53 vote. It had not passed in previous years. It was suggested that the board form a committee of coaches, teachers, parents, and other interested parties made up of people who both support and oppose out-of-season coaching. The committee would then evaluate the proposals and public comments before making a final recommendation to the board. And the state of Oregon is dramatically changing the way its children receive their school lunches. Oregon is taking its Farm to Schools program statewide. As part of a spending bill, lawmakers recently agreed to put $3.3 million of general fund money toward expanding the program from the 19 school districts that currently enjoy farm-to-school benefits to every K-12 in the state. Farm-to-school programs, in which agricultural interests provide locally grown goods for school lunches, can teach students about the supply chain of food. The programs can also provide insights into the agricultural world while providing children with foods that are generally healthier and much fresher. That's it for now. For more, you can go to AmericanEdTV.com and our YouTube channel. And for breaking news, make sure you follow us on Facebook and Twitter.